Hi all folks, this is Max from GalaxyTabHacks.com and AndroidTabletHacks.com. So today I'm going to show you how to install, enable your rooted tablet. You can do this on any tablet to actually see ad hoc networks, because some of you have tethering. You want to tether your tablet to your Android phone, but it only supports ad hoc. But by default, Galaxy Tab and most tablets don't support ad hoc. So we should be. I've actually set up my G2 phone here as ad hoc network. I can see it on my desktop computer, but I can't see it here. That's because the Wi-Fi module doesn't support it, but we can hack it and install it. So go download the file, the zip file, adhoctablets.zip, and it'll have ADB and a file called WPA_supplicant, and this will work across all systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac. For Linux, just swap out ADB for ADB-Linux, and for Mac, swap out ADB for ADB-Mac, or ADB-Mac for ADB. So let's go do this. Connect it to your computer, and let's go copy over the WPA supplicant file. All right, so let's do that next. Let's go to our computer real quick. So if you unzip the ad hoc tablets, unzip it to like the root folder of your hard disk, like C drive. And then you'll see ADB and WPA supplicant. Now we're going to go copy that file into the SD card of your tablet device. I'm going to do copy, and then I'm going to go to my tablet, and I'm going to put it, actually this one has no SD card, so I'm just going to put it in here. Alright, so I copied it over, and then let's go back to our tablet real quick. So we're back at our tablet device. Go to settings and go to applications and development, and make sure USB debugging is checked on. So I have to remove it for this tablet. Okay, and then do it like that. Alright, so USB debugging and check, and make sure your disk mode is off, because that'll interfere. And let's go to our computer and start hacking. And what we're going to do is open up a command prompt, go to start search and type CMD, and we'll get a command prompt here. And make sure you have drivers installed for your tablet device. Go to androiddrivers.net. There's lots of drivers there. Do ADB shell, right? Oops, no, sorry. CD backslash. Do backslash. Sorry, that's my Korean font. And go to where you unzip the ad hoc tablets folder. Or if you put it on desktop, you can do just CD desktop backslash ad hoc tablets, like this. Without the first slash, you can do desktop slash ad hoc tablets, like that, instead of what I did. But I'm in the directory. So what you're going to do is get into shell, and you have to, of course, have your tablet rooted. So I have more than one device, and I'm just going to unplug my G2 is plugged in. So okay, so I've got into my shell. I'm going to type SU, and then you can just copy and paste this. I'll have it on my site, or you can type it if you want to, but I don't like typing all this stuff. This basically mounts it as a read-write file system, so you can read and write to it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy over a file called the WPA_supplicant, the file you copied over earlier. But we're gonna make a backup just in case we need it. So we will copy it over to, let me see here. Let me see here. Sorry. Let me see where that SD card. Is that where? Yeah. So it's actually SD card is the directory for the storage on my tab 10.1. That's what I was trying to find out, but ignore that. Anyway, next what we're gonna do is copy over the file, the existing one. In case something happens, you can always flash this back. So type all this right here. You can just copy and paste it. So what I did is I copied the file WPA_supplicant, that's the Wi-Fi module in system bin, to the SD card. So anytime you need to revert back, go to your SD card and you can find the WPA_supplicant.original and copy it over back to that file. So next we're gonna type this. We're gonna copy over. We're gonna copy the new one that we copied over to the SD card to the system bin folder. And then next we're gonna chmod it. Basically give it executable power. And then we're gonna type this. And then that should be it, I think. Okay. Oh, and let me show you how to get back to it. If you ever want to, well, you know what? It'll be in my link if you want to revert back. But this one should work. So let's go to our tablet and see if we pick up Adhoc. Hi, folks. So I'm back in my tablet. I see G2. Which I can see on my desktop, but I don't see it on here. So I'm thinking I have to reboot it. So let me reboot real quick and I'll be back. And hopefully we'll be able to get Adhoc now. So I'll be back when this is done. I'm gonna go have a smoke. And I've rebooted, and guess what? I've got, it has a star on it for the Adhoc. So let me see if I can connect to my Adhoc network. And it's obtaining IP address. And connect it, and let me see if the browser works. Let's go to Google, and voila, there you go. So that's how you install Adhoc Wi-Fi. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more hacks at galaxytabhacks.com or eepathacks.net if you have a Asus EE transformer. Thank y'all. See y'all later. Go have fun.